going, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is time to show you guys the Walgreens ad preview for July 22nd through July 28th. I think it's going to be kind of a slow week. There might be some decent deals and there might be some hidden deals that usually we find after the sale starts, but I'm here to share with you guys what is going on sale. I can't even remember what I was just going to say. I don't remember, but it's an okay week. But right here in the first page, you guys see candy, 2 for $1. That includes Mars, Dove, Skittles, and Starburst. Well, what happens is we have a coupon from the 610 Retail Me Not for 50 cents off of 2. You guys want to buy 2 Skittles. You guys will end up getting each one for 25 cents. I'm gonna buy Skittles. So we got that. They also have Kellogg's cereal, and in the small print it has Pop-Tarts. I don't know what's my obsession with Pop-Tarts lately, but they got Pop-Tarts for $1.99. Now I do know there was a $1 off of 3 coupon out there. Plus there's always coupons on the Kellogg's website if you guys are interested in that. But they got a lot of BOGO deals, so they're usually when they do the BOGO deals, it's not really the greatest deal. But let's just keep on trolling. So here we got some food deals. Again, not the greatest. I mean, they got the Ziploc, not the Ziploc brand, but the nice brand. But they have the sandwich, the freezer, and the storage baggies for 99 cents. Some of those are great deals if you guys need baggies. I haven't seen Ziploc deals in forever. Unless it's a winter thing, I'm not sure. But then they got the Palmolive dish soap for $1.99. And there's going to be a 50-cent off coupon that we'll be getting. So there you got that going on, but nothing else going on. Haagen-Dazs is buy one get one free, but most of the time they charge like $6 for their ice cream, so wouldn't say that's a good deal. They got the regular Skittles, 2 for $4. Again, we have that $1 off of 2 coupon. You guys would just get them for $1.50 or $3 for both of them. So if you guys really want some Skittles, go for it. Yeah, it's kind of a slow week. I don't know why this is not like focused, or it's not like zoomed out as much as I want it to be. But here they got some paper products, $4 for the Sparkle after a $1 off coupon in the Sunday's paper. I think Angel Soft, there's a 50-cent off coupon. The Walgreens brand is going to be $4. They got Viva paper towels, and then Cottonelle bath tissues and wipes for $5 after a $1 off coupon. We also are getting Kleenex brand and Nice brand tissues for 99 cents. Lysol is buy one get one free. We are getting a $1 off of 2 coupons, so you guys really want to get some Lysol products, you could go for that. Airwick $4.49, not the greatest. Purex Crystals $2.99, and then they got the Arm & Hammer buy one get one free. Now we're at the back to school items. Now I'm going to try to show you guys deals as much as I can with the school items, since Office Max / Office Depot is no longer doing their penny deals. So I'm still going to try to do $5 challenges for you guys throughout the time. I might not do it every week, but I still want to share with you guys. But they do got backpacks for $3, and their backpacks are okay. I really like the pink one. I like the print on that. Crayola markers and pencils are 99 cents. Now the crayons I would not pay 99 cents for. Other places you can get them for 50 cents. If you guys are Fisker Royal, they got pencil sharpeners and scissors for 99 cents, which could be an okay deal. Here we got the Gelocity pencils. Sorry, those are going to be $2.99. We are getting $1.50 off coupons, so if you guys are interested in something like that, they'll be $1.49. And then regular pens are $1.29. We'll be getting those $1 off coupons, making them 29 cents. And I think 29 cents is a pretty good deal. You guys can get them for Walmart for 17 cents after the coupon, and I'm not sure on Target, but those coupons are only good for a couple weeks. So if you guys get them, but you know, just watch out. And then they got folders for 29 cents and highlighters. Now we're in the beauty section. Not much is really popping out at me. I mean, all the makeup's pretty much buy one, get one 50% off. And they have a lot of deals where if you guys spend like $20, $20. So they do have a Sally Hansen. If you buy 2, you get 6,000 points. Plus we have the $3 off coupon. So those could be actually a pretty good deal if you guys are interested in that. It looks like they're buy one, get one free. So, or buy one, get one 50% off. So that could be a good deal. Rimmel, if you buy 2, you can get 3,000 points. I do know there are some dollar Rimmel coupons. Revlon, CoverGirl, we have those 4 off of 2, but you have to spend $15 to get 3,000 points. Here they got some Vaseline or Simple Care. Now we do have those $2 off products. For Simple, those are buy one get one 50% off, and then if you spend $15, you get 3,000 points. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. A lot of the toothpaste and stuff's all on sale. Now here's the Garnier Fructis. Now I did mention it that it was on sale again, but those coupons expire the 21st. So if you guys do have those Garnier Fructis coupons, start using them up before Saturday because they are no longer good after Saturday. But there is a sale for 2 for $7. We are getting an online coupon for 3 off of 2. Plus there's those $1 off coupons in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would basically get each one for, what, $1 a piece. So if you guys are interested in that. Otherwise, whole blends, 2 for $7, not the greatest. So it's going to be kind of a little slow week. And now we have the Chic razors and shaving cream. Now they are going to be, spend 15, you get 3,000 points. So they do have some razors for $8.99 and they do have some other razors for $5.99. And then they also have some cream for $2.49, and then you get a $1.50 off coupon, making them 99 cents, which could be an okay deal. Those are ones I haven't tried yet. So again, if you spend 15, you guys will get 3,000 points. Here they got the Gillette razors. Buy one, get one 50% off. Now we do have those $3 off coupons for the Venus, and we have $2 off coupons for the Gillette, I think. Or are they both $3? I think they're both $3 to tell you the truth. But here, if you spend $15, you get a $5 in points, which is 5,000 points. So that could be a pretty good deal if you guys are interested in that. Not much going on in the whole medicine section. I don't really have anything that's just popping out on me for you guys. And then here they got, you know, the average stuff. Sorry. And then, you know, the swimming stuff is going to, it says it's 25% off with card. I've already seen some stores mark it down even more. So definitely check out the summer stuff. They're trying to get room for the back to school items. So I just wanted to share with you guys on that. And now we're on the last page of the Walgreens ad. They have the all laundry detergent for $2.99. We are getting $1 off coupons, making them $1.99. Then they got, yeah, nothing really popping out. General Mills, 2 for $1 is a $1 off of 2 coupon that you guys can get online. So that's pretty much it. Nothing that's really popping. I just wanted to share with you guys the deals that are coming out on this Sunday. So you guys will have to stay tuned and see what I get. But I don't think it'll be a big money maker haul unless I go crazy with makeup. But yes, just want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.